Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you authentic Hyderabadi mutton dum biryani recipe in simple and very easy way. So let's get started. For this, take a grinding jar and add in fresh mint leaves and green chilies. Now add in 4 cardamom, 3 to 4 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of shahi jeera and 4 to 5 cloves and half teaspoon of salt. Now here I'm going to add in a small papaya which is in our kindergarten. So you can add in a little bit of papaya so that the mutton gets tender very easily. So here I have 500 grams of boneless mutton. You can even take it with bone as you wish for. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add in the grinded paste. So here I'm not going to add in the coriander leaves while grinding the paste because I already have the coriander paste. Now add in the fried onions. You need to store some of the onions for even garnishing. Now add in 1 cup of curd. If the curd is sour, it gets even more tastier. So try to add in sour curd. Now add in the coriander paste. In case you don't have the coriander paste, you can even add in the bunch of coriander leaves while grinding the green paste. Now add in some water by mixing it in grinding jar so that nothing gets wasted. Now give them all a good mix, and here you can see our gravy for biryani is almost ready. Now add in 1 tablespoon of oil into it and set it aside for the meat to get marinated. If you're going to prepare this biryani in the morning or afternoon, you can marinate it one night before in the refrigerator for better results. Now even garnish it with few coriander leaves and mint leaves, cover it and put it aside. Now into a pot, add in 3 to 4 liters of water for boiling rice. Now first of all, allow the water to start boiling. As soon as the water gets boiled, squeeze half a lemon into it. Now add in the spices like half teaspoon shahi jeera, 2 cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves and 3 to 4 cardamom pods. Allow them to boil well. Now add in 2 teaspoons of salt and give it a good mix. Now also add in a few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves for good flavor. Now as the water starts boiling, add in the soaked biryani rice or the soaked basmati rice and give them all a good mix, and you need to cook them continuously until they are cooked for about 20 to 30%. Do not overcook them as we are not going to cook the mutton and it is authentic dum biryani. So we need to not overcook the rice even until 50%. Only 20 to 30% is just done. So here you can see the rice is almost 20 to 30% done. Now you can strain the water and the biryani rice is ready for layering. So here into the gravy of biryani, I'm going to add in 3 to 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can adjust it according to the sourness that you like. Now layer the biryani. So usually for the authentic chicken dum biryani, you put the gravy at the bottom and layer whole of the rice on the top. Now add in 1 cup of leftover boiled rice water. So here the mutton should also be cooked and the rice also should be cooked. So you need to add in some water. Now top it with fried onions or birista and chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Finally, you need to top it with the oil that we have fried the birista in. So this is the oil in which I have fried the onions. You can even add in melted ghee or butter as per your choice. Now add in the saffron milk into it. Here I don't have the saffron, so I have added in the colored milk with the saffron essence. Now cook it on low flame by putting a heavy weight on the top for better steam for about 15 minutes. So here you can see after cooking it on low flame for 15 minutes, I'm checking for if there is any water at the bottom. So here you can see there is no water and the biryani has got done well. You can just check the grains and the texture. Now I'm going to invert it onto a huge plate or a parat, and you can just see the texture of the biryani, how tasty and how delicious it is. It is just perfect, and you can see the long grains just being very tasty and delicious. This is so mouth watering. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And I have served it with a special curd or raita or chutney or whatever it is. The recipe for this is in the comment section. So do check it out once and let me know your experiences. And this is going to be the unique raita ever. So do check it out, guys. Now I'm going to add this onto my biryani and just taste it. This is so heavenly yum and it is enhancing the taste of the biryani for the next level. So this was my recipe for today. If you find it interesting, do hit a like button. Also share it with your friends and family members. And do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Allah Hafiz.